Hello everyone, welcome to MEDHA CARE. So in this video we will discuss this question. So you can see here in this question, here we have used 3 moles of KOH. In each cases 3 moles of KOH used for the reaction. That means elimination will happen and 3 moles of HCl will be eliminated from the molecules. And we have to check whether the products A, B, C are same or not. So to get the product, first we will redraw the structures. You know that elimination reaction, this is beta elimination reaction, these are anti-elimination reaction, right? These are anti-elimination reactions. So first I will draw the structure. So here we have chlorine, all above the plane. So if I write the hydrogens which are below the plane, hydrogens are below the plane. Now elimination will happen, and in this elimination reaction HCl will be eliminated. So we can consider this hydrogen and this Cl will be eliminated because it should be anti to each other. This hydrogen and this Cl, this hydrogen and this Cl. Okay, so basically we will get the product here, that double bond, double bond, double bond, and this is benzene, and 3 chlorines will be there. 1,3,5 trichlorobenzene is the product. So this is our product A. Now if you see the structure in case of B, so again I am drawing the structure. Now this time this chlorine above the plane, this chlorine above the plane, this chlorine we have below the plane, this one also we have below the plane, and here this one above the plane, and this one also above the plane. Now I'll again write the hydrogens which are below the plane here. Here this hydrogen is above the plane, here one hydrogen which is above the plane, here I can write one hydrogen below the plane, hydrogen below the plane, and hydrogen below the plane, right? Now we will eliminate. So to do the elimination, what we can do, this hydrogen and this chlorine can be eliminated because they are anti to each other. Then this hydrogen and this chlorine, this hydrogen and this chlorine, these are anti to each other. So again what I am getting, I am getting the same product. This time we have chlorine here, double bond, here we have chlorine, double bond, and this one will have the double bond here. So this B product and A product same, so A, B same. So let's check the third product, C product. So if we write the structure C, so here we have this chlorine below the plane, this chlorine also below the plane, this chlorine also below the plane, and this chlorine here we have also below the plane, and chlorine, this chlorine above the plane. Now I will write the hydrogens again. So here hydrogen, this case hydrogen above the plane, here also hydrogens, hydrogen above the plane, above the plane, above the plane, here hydrogen below the plane, and here hydrogen below the plane. Now what I can do, I can eliminate this hydrogen and this chlorine. It is possible because anti to each other. This hydrogen and this chlorine anti to each other. This hydrogen and this chlorine anti to each other. So again I can remove here 3 HCl. So the product will be, so here we will have chlorine, here also one chlorine, here also one chlorine. So this is the C product. So correct answer for this question, if you see that all the 3 A, B, C will be same. So correct option is D, A, B, C, same product you will get in this question. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends.